Luxury and Tranquility at Albergo Al Sole in Asolo, Italy. Welcome to Albergo Al Sole, a luxurious five-star hotel nestled in the charming town of Asolo, Italy. With its breathtaking views of the rolling hills and the picturesque landscape, this hotel offers a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and tranquility. Whether you are a leisure traveler seeking a relaxing getaway or a business traveler in need of a peaceful retreat, Albergo Al Sole is the ideal destination for you. Upon arrival, you will be greeted by the warm and friendly staff who are dedicated to providing exceptional service throughout your stay. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably and start your vacation at your own pace. The hotel's checkout time is 11 a.m., giving you ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast and make the most of your stay. Please note that Albergo Al Sole has a child policy in place. While children are welcome at the hotel, they may not stay free of charge. Additional charges may apply for children's accommodation. This policy ensures a serene and peaceful environment for all guests, making it an ideal choice for couples and adults seeking a romantic getaway or a tranquil escape from the bustling city life. With its exquisite architecture, elegant interiors, and luxurious amenities, Albergo Al Sole boasts a limited number of rooms, ensuring an intimate and exclusive experience for each guest. Every room is tastefully decorated with attention to detail, offering a harmonious blend of modern comforts and traditional Italian charm. From the plush bedding to the well-appointed bathrooms, every aspect of your room has been meticulously designed to provide a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. Indulge in the hotel's world-class dining options, where the skilled chefs create culinary masterpieces using the finest local ingredients. Savor the flavors of Italy as you dine in the elegant restaurant, or unwind with a refreshing cocktail at the stylish bar. The hotel also offers a range of amenities, including a fitness center, spa, and outdoor pool, ensuring that your every need is met during your stay.